Hey guys, welcome to my video, and today I'm going to be squeaking this chicken 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Done.